Hi, I'm JP Terry, and welcome to aemforms.training. In 5 minutes, you'll know exactly how to use the site. Some resources are open to everyone: the knowledge base, the known issues, the other items under the public menu. Your personalized learning path unlocks when you log in. Your tailored subscription training will appear under the subscription menu. So let's log in now and take a quick tour.
Head to aemforms.training. This is the public homepage. Under public, you'll find resources open to everyone, like known issues, sandbox servers, and live trainings. To unlock your personal learning path, click Login in the upper right. I'll log in with my password. And I'll click Login. After I sign in, I see subscription. Now my account shows all 12 learning modules. Yours will show the modules mapped to your role. We can pick any module to see its courses. I'll choose Adaptive Forms, the top one. Each course is listed in the recommended order. At the top, each course is a blue link. I can click on Introduction to Adaptive Forms. I can scroll down to see the prerequisites and an estimate of how long each lesson will take. On the right, I can see an interactive eLearn module and a PDF student manual for the hands-on labs. Some courses also include videos and student files. I'll click the eLearn module. The Forms module includes these sections and tools. Forms and Documents is where you will create your adaptive forms and your adaptive form fragments. Themes is where you will create and manage your adaptive form themes. Themes provide the look and feel for adaptive forms. Data integrations is where you will create form data models and form data model services. And finally, document fragments is where you will create and manage document fragments for use in your adaptive forms. Our e-learning is fully closed caption and fully accessible. After the e-learn, we download the student file. Each student file is a PDF, and it has information about the course, as well as step-by-step exercises. Every exercise reinforces the exact techniques we covered in the e-learning presentation. So we'll take a look. You can take it step by step, and you'll see it's richly illustrated, so you can visually learn how to succeed with AEM forms. And all the modules are consistent. So if I go to core components, I'll see that much like the adaptive forms, the core components share the same layout. I can select Introduction to Core Components. I can select Rule Editor, Extend Core Components. And when I'm ready to do my labs, I can select Public, Sandbox Servers, and we have both OSGI and JE environments. We'll click a link. In this case, I'll click the OSGI environment, and it comes right over to my Sandbox server, and I log in, and I can begin the exercise. So you see, it's a very hands-on training experience. Thanks for taking this quick tour of aemforms.training. We're excited to help you master Adobe AEM Forms. If you're not yet a subscriber, visit aemforms.training and we'll get you started with a targeted sample course. As always, if you have any questions about Adobe AEM Forms or aemforms.training, feel free to email me at jp@smartdoctech.com. Thank you.